show you something I made here, and I'm going to share with you guys. Every now and then we do make a swap with the Rolodex cards. So I was fiddling. There was a big snowstorm yesterday and today a little bit, and couldn't go out, so I was playing around with my scan and cut. And I know some of you have the Brothers Scan and Cut. So this is going to be shared as a file of scan and cut. But I created some Rolodex cards. These are regular Rolodex cards that I created on the craft, what do they call it again, that on the program itself. Craft Workplace is the name, sorry. And I created all of these. I think those are so cute. Like if you were doing a card for mermaids, or you know, this has smile on it. You can, if you wanted to, attach the eye. I didn't. It says smile. It's really cute. And here are just a couple, if you're doing something seaworthy, a couple of stars or whatever. I think they're cute. And these are just scalloped edge toppings. And here are hearts. And they work fine in a Rolodex, or they should. These are some of the swap. These are all swap pieces, actually, that I've received from friends and whatnot in the group. So let's say I have this. It fits perfectly. This is a handmade box that I made, but still, I did it with the intentions of a real card to put in, and they work perfectly, just like any other card. So I'm going to send you guys the file. For those of you, feel free to keep it. If you I will not lock it, so you can do whatever you want with it. But it's just a Rolodex card, but it's really a quick way. It'll cut 6 per, and if you want to, you can cut and paste it and make on one page on one, or whatever. It's up to you guys. But I thought I'd share that with you. Have a good day. This is Iman, and I'm signing off. Have a fabulous day and be happy. Bye-bye.